name is Naresh. I am MPC first year, Government Degree College Kundanavala, Department of Mathematics. Jignasa student study project. Topic: the joy of numbers. The name of supervisor sir, Dr. Ashok Kumar sir. It was a script for me to do sum and get the right answer numbers. What toys with which could play. It them found emotional secret to always 2 plus 2 always made and ever and would always make 4. In every country found their students, professors, teachers, bankers, accountants and even laymen who know very little or nothing at all. Number 1. The first thing about the number 1 is course that whatever figure you multiply it by or divide by it remains unchanged. 10 into 1 equals to 10. The secret number 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 11 into 1 equals to 11. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 12 into 1 equals to 12. 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 13 into 1 equals to 13. 1 plus 3 equals to 4.
My name is P. Mahesh. I am studying first year MPCS from Kundanavala Government Degree College. My topic is number 2. The number 2 was 1 every. And number 2 has every. Obvious chapter is 2. Multiply any number by 2 by the same, adding 2 its 2 itself. As from the multiplication table, its secret steps. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Secret step 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Secret step 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Secret number is 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Secret number is 8. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 into 7, 14 plus 1 by 4 plus 4 is equal to 4. 2 into 8.
I am studying Kundanavala Degree College, MPC first year. Number 3 continue. The number 3 has 2 dissection first of all. It is the first triangle number, that is a number the units which can be laid out from triangle like this 5% triangle number of the importance and peculiarities of their own which we shall encounter later on. And 3 and 5 can also both be expressed first difference between two squares. 3 equals to 2 square minus 1 square. 5 equals to 3 square minus 2 square. The secret steps in the 3 times table are very simple. Straight steps, secret steps. 3 into 1 into 3, secret step 3. 3 into 2 equals to 6, 6. 3 into 3 equals to 9, secret step is 9. 3 into 4 equals to 12, 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 into 5 equals to 15, 1 plus 5 equals to...
This is P. Verma. I am from SUN Government Degree College. Next, the continuation. Number 4. With number 4, the secret step in the multiplication table can be a little more intricate. Secret step and straight step and secret steps. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. 4 into 2 is equals to 8. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. 1 plus 4 into 4 is equals to 16. 1 plus 6 is equals to 7. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. 4 into 6 is equals to 24. 2 into 4 is equals to 6. 4 into 7 is equals to 28. 2 plus 8 minus 10. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. Next, number 5. Perhaps the most important thing about 5 is that it is the half of the 10. As we will see, this factor is a key to main shortcuts in the calculation. In the main thing, in the secret step in the 5 times table are very simpler to those in the time 4. The sequences simply go to upwards instead of downwards. Straight steps and secret steps. 5 into 1 is equals to 5. Secret steps 5. 5 into 2 is equals to 10. 1 plus 0 is equals to 1.
This is Savitri. Conclusion. Mathematical discoveries, like all others, may come from the need to solve practical problems. but a more important motive is the pure delight some individual take in invention and discovery. A mathematician tried to extend his powers. He knows a trade which allows him to solve one sort of problem, but might there not be other sorts then can be solved in the same way. He tried to find out how his trick worked, to group problems in families, to classify them. Thank you.